Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to add, edit and manage your saved addresses in Edge app on Android. So say suppose this is the dummy page that we are going to use for registration purpose, and it has all the details like full name, address, email and etc. So in order to autofill that information, you need to first save these details in your Edge app. For that, tap on these three bar options, go to settings and select the accounts. Within the accounts you have this addresses and more. Select that and make sure this option, the first toggle switch, is enabled for save and fill addresses. Once it is done, select the add address and fill out all the information here in this page where you can save the address. So I'll just quickly fill in with the dummy information here. So I just filled in the dummy information and I have saved. So you can see dummy demo and some details are being appearing. So let's go back to that test page, and if I want to use that particular information, the saved information, to be autofilled here, what I can do, I can just simply refresh, and then when I select this first field to edit, it will display this dummy and 1 2 3 4 1 2 4 5, which is the details that have been saved. So I can just select that and it will autofill all the information that has been saved in that particular save addresses and more form. So except that you can choose other options which were not available, for example the country, the selected country, United States, and other information. Once you are done it, you can just simply hit on submit and the form will be submitted. So in this way you can autofill the forms. Now if you want to edit, what you can do is you can again go back to the accounts, and within the accounts you can go to addresses and more and select that particular address that is saved earlier, and you can make the changes according to your need. And once it is done, you can hit on this done command, which will edit the changes. Or if you want to delete that address, what you can do is open that in editor mode and then tap on this trash icon, and once it is done, you can just select the delete command and it will delete the address saved in on your Edge app. I hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Cheers, have a great day. Thank you.